Nothing says holidays like classic gingerbread cookies, crispy edges, soft centers, and warm spice in every bite. Today, I'll show you the step-by-step recipe so yours turn out bakery beautiful. We start with a simple spiced dough that's easy to work with. And yes, we'll decorate with festive royal icing, perfect for gifting, sharing, and late-night nibbling. Ready? Let's bake. We'll start with the ingredients, then mix, chill, roll, bake, and decorate. Grab your apron, turn on the oven and the holiday vibes. Here's how to make these classic gingerbread cookies from scratch. First, let's gather our ingredients. Butter, brown sugar, molasses, eggs, ground ginger, cinnamon, cloves, and baking soda. That's everything you need for classic gingerbread. In a large bowl, add your all-purpose flour. Stir in ground ginger for that signature warmth. Cinnamon and cloves deepen the spice. Add baking soda so the cookies rise just enough. A pinch of salt balances the sweetness. Whisk to evenly distribute the spices. You should see a speckled, even mix. Set this aside while we cream the butter and sugar. Room temperature butter makes this step easy. Let's get mixing. Add softened butter to your mixer. Add packed brown sugar. Cream until light and fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. You're looking for a lighter color and soft texture. Scrape down the bowl so everything mixes evenly. This base gives us tender cookies. Looks perfect. Time for molasses and eggs. Keep that festive music rolling. Everything within arm's reach makes baking more fun. That rich flavor is coming right up. Pour in the molasses and mix until combined. That color is everything. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing after each. Scrape as needed to keep it even. Now bring in the dry ingredients. Add the dry mixture in thirds on low speed. Mix just until combined. No over-mixing. Stop when no streaks of flour remain. You should have a soft, pliable dough. Time to bring it together by hand. Knead just a few times to smooth the dough. Divide into 2 flat discs for faster chilling. Wrap tightly to prevent drying. A label helps if you're baking ahead. Chill for at least 1 hour, up to overnight. Chilling firms the dough so it rolls cleanly. When the dough feels cool and firm, it's ready. Let it rest 5 minutes if it's too stiff to roll. Flour your surface lightly. Less is more. Let's roll and cut. Roll the dough to about 1/4 inch thick for soft centers. Rotate the dough and dust lightly as needed. Rolling guides help keep thickness consistent. Start cutting with your favorite shapes. Stars are great for quick decorating. Snowflakes look stunning with simple lines. Peel the scraps and re-roll just once for tender cookies. Move the shapes with an offset spatula to keep edges neat. Space them about 1 inch apart. One more tray, then we're baking. Preheat your oven to 350° or 175°C. Bake on the center rack for even heat. Bake 8 to 10 minutes, depending on size. Pull them when edges are set for softer cookies. Let cookies cool on the sheet 2 minutes. Then move to a rack to cool completely. Cool cookies are key for clean icing lines. Once cool, it's icing time. Gather your decorating tools and colors. Let's make royal icing. Sift powdered sugar into a mixing bowl for a smooth icing. Add egg whites, or use meringue powder with water. A touch of lemon juice brightens the flavor. Whisk to stiff peaks, then thin gradually for piping. Divide and color your icing. Gel colors keep it vibrant. Load piping bags with small round tips for clean lines. Practice steady pressure before decorating. Outline, then add details like buttons and a smile. Flood stars and smooth with a scribe for glassy icing. Snowflakes pop with simple lines and dots. Use wet on wet for cute patterns before icing sets. Optional. Add sanding sugar for sparkle. Let decorated cookies dry until the icing is firm. For gifting, line a box with parchment or tissue. Alternate shapes so the designs really shine. Separate layers with wax paper to protect icing. Finish with ribbon and a handwritten tag. A simple note makes it extra special. These keep well in an airtight container for several days. Today we mixed, chilled, rolled, baked, and decorated. I can't wait for you to try these classic gingerbread cookies. Happy holidays and happy baking. See you in the next cozy bake.